Morning, day 3. We are in Singleton and we're heading for the Blue Mountains. Not sure where, probably Katoomba. Anyway, have a look and see where we stayed last night. Quite comfortable, it's in the background. We can park our bikes underneath. Craig's bike, Chris's bike tucked up. And we're going to go and have some breakfast and hit the road. Catch on the Bylong Valley Way. Bye for now. Talking to a man who's on his way to the wall-to-wall ride. He was overnight at Tamworth. Stopped for a leg stretch here, same as we did. And so that's the the Bylong General Store. And it's been shut since COVID, unfortunately. And it used to be a very good store. So I decided to fly the drone. And unfortunately I only had the drone up for a minute, I guess, maybe not even that. Man come running over and said, a helicopter's landing, it's coming in, it'll be here, can you please land the drone? I said, of course. So I landed the drone and you'll see a little bit of footage of the chopper on the ground. So anyway, but this is the Bylong Valley Way. Beautiful ride, beautiful. Well, I had to land the drone while flying it because a man came over and said a chopper's landing, so could we land the drone? So I have. And the chopper's just landed. Anyway, we've stopped for a leg stretch at the Bylong Valley General Store and it's closed, unfortunately. There's our bikes over there parked. So we thought we'd have a leg stretch, fly the drone, look at the chopper, and there's Mr. Dixon.
Only one not
the only one not filming.
Mr. Lane's just finished an international air incident trying to fly his drone into a live helicopter, but we'll make sure he doesn't cut that out of the film.
All good, all good. We landed it well and truly before the chopper got here, as requested. Yeah, mate's been closed for a couple of years.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Used to have good coffee here, but not anymore.
Alright boys, we'll see you there.
Okay. Craig's first time. Chris has done it before, and I think this is my 3rd time. This will be the 2nd time this way, and I've come the opposite direction once with my wife. Anyway, next stop Rylstone, so I'll let you enjoy some of the beautiful scenery along the Bylong Valley Way. We are arriving at Rylstone. There's 2 bumps. There we go. Welcome to Rylstone. Rylstone, pronounced Rylstone. Kudgegong River, John Hawkins Bridge. Very scenic little park on here, if I remember. Very pretty. Only a small little village, but very scenic, this place, Rylstone. There's a bakery up here on the right, if I recall. Yeah, very pretty. Very quiet. It's 11:30 a.m. Guess the lunchtime rush hasn't started, if they ever have a lunchtime rush. Old brick oven bakery, wood-fired. And right next door is the Rylstone butchery. Alright. Coffee and a cake stop. What did you have, Craig?
Apple slice.
What did you have, Christopher?
It sounds
Well,
healthy.
the most exciting thing was the Nippy's iced vanilla milk from South Australia. That's great, but I had a lovely large custard tart, $4.80, whereas Bylong had a small one costing $4.
No, mine was $3.
Oh, right, okay.
Anyway, the Rylstone bakery, always worth a stop. Such a pretty little town, isn't it?
I'll tell you another place to stop at. Just sit on the table, Christopher.
Have you got the destination in your GPS?
Yeah, is it 119?
199.
Oh,
That's all right.
19, so.
That's all right. You keep going.
Yeah.
I'll follow you, but I've got it in mind. So when you get into Lithgow, just pull me over, wave me in front, and I'll take you right to it.